I don't think I'm ready, no, not for that jelly. My honey like Winnie the Pooh.
I got that all on camera.
Ew.
And story never ends. Let's celebrate, remember?
Look at baby. This dude literally tried to crawl out the window.
E 2.5.
Ah.
Say hi to Trinity. Say hi, Trinity.
Say, I don't want to say hi to her. She tried to hit me.
I forgot what I was doing. Oh, I was taking the french fry wrapper thing out of his mouth because he was chewing it and it was like getting wet. I tried to get it out of his mouth and he went, ah! And I was like,
You should have whooped him.
yeah, I hit it. I was like, you don't do that.
Damn! Trinity, how much
Did he start crying?
No.
You keep all your text messages?
Yeah.
Yes, crazy.
You are my son.
So 13,000. Will you help me buy my first car?
What's your first car?
A Jaguar.
How much is it?
15,000.
Depends.
Will you pay me 5,000?
Depends.
I'll let you drive it.
I'm not.
Maybe not.
Oh, Bedroom's eyes are like mine. Bedroom smile.
Look at baby.
Our eyes squint. Let's smile. Like regular like this. Oshers and Harmony like big.
Oh my goodness. My hair is long.
Oh,
You
your
gonna put my
arms are dirty
description
too.
in the channel?
Yeah. Oh my gosh,
It's
your
so
socks
Harmony
like your
might get
shoes.
Oh, you're kidding.
They're literally out the window right now.
In the Union Academy line and there was a bumblebee in the car.
Oh my gosh! I remember that! Oh yeah. Okay, wait. Kiss. Oh shoot.
That was a bad time for me. I beat the bumblebee.
You were just
See, that's how I know if I'm in the
afraid of
And think about it, we're in the middle of the road. We're in the middle of the road.
I'm like, Harmony, no bee came in the car. You're okay.
Oh my god. This boy climbing out the window.
Got two.
This dude.
Andrew, why do you text Andrew so much?
He's in the reserves.
What does Austin do?
Austin works as an electrician.
Does he get a lot? How much does a truck cost? FaceTime Austin.
Making a FaceTime call to
Wait, is it the right Austin?
That's the wrong Austin.
See, I'm making my boyfriend. Is he gonna answer? Hold on. What's up, Ginger?
I'm really focused. My eyes. What time is it, Trinity? I gotta make sure.
6:13. It's been a couple hours later. I've been vlogging. Benjamin's up front.
What's up, gang?
My mom and Harmony are in Barnes and Nobles right now. Me and Benjamin decided to stay in the car.
How do you add another picture?
You just add another picture.
How?
You have to give me the phone. But yeah, now we're just waiting for my mom and Harmony. Here, see this sad photo.
Oh, there they go.
They're right there.
Oh, I figured out how to do it.
Hi! Why is baby looking at me like that? I'm gonna put this right here. Can you put that in the bag, Benjamin? There you go.
Oh yeah. I am gonna fall.
Wait, Harmony, let me get him.
Or just get in and then you can sit down and then put him over there.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Thank you, Harmony. Is your recording? Is that recording?
Is it?
I think it is recording.
It is recording.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, boy, oh boy, you too big.
I can't. My arms are collapsing.
What's up?
Okay.
What's up? Hey, mother.
Hey, mother.
It's blurry. Wait.
It's blurry.
There you go.
Hey, mother.
Hello, mother. Look at the
Mother.
camera.
Mother.
Mm.
Okay, fine.
Why are you crying?
Because he doesn't want water.
Hey, what's up, gang? Wait, Trini, how do you make it, brother?
Huh? No, that's not it.
Oh,
That's the beginning. Hey. We ain't gonna do that.
You just turn this?
She left the chicken tender in here. Here, eat some of this. All of that?
And then you see
You have a little bite?
below that, below
Oh
where
yeah,
you
you're
turn-
brownie in your mouth.
Below?
You just chew it, baby.
Yeah, that thing.
What,
That's
this?
how you make it lighter or darker.
This?
Yeah. Wait, oh no, not that.
What?
You can take a bite though,
Right
Harmony.
there, right there.
Thank you, Harmony,
Are
Trini,
you
for
sure?
saving us some.
You're welcome.
Are you sure, Trini?
Yeah. You're making it brighter.
The dial?
Yeah.
Did you give him some
See?
Sprite? Some of your thing? Did you drink some of her lemonade?
Now you're making it darker.
Oh.
How many can you drink? If you want some ice?
Do it the other way.
What's up, gang? We in the car, y'all feel me? I'm this short. I can't even reach the top.
Ice. Is that?
I can't.
Okay, but nah, you get it, bye.
Thank you. Now what we finna do? I'm home now.
I'm good.
Good. We're tired of having.
No, you're not.
No, Wimple.
Grandma's gonna whip all behind.
Oh, man.
Hi, baby. Do yourself.
Grandpa's gonna whoop all behind.
No,
So tomorrow,
you're
can
not.
I get you guys early when I go pick up Usher?
Montage. I said something.
Huh? Oh, touch cancels? Baby, please stop.
Uh-oh. It's because he wants the camera. He wants the camera. You can't use the camera, puppy.
Don't touch that part.
Man, where are you gonna move to? Man, when do you plan on living?
Charlotte.
You want to stay in North Carolina for the rest of your life?
Yeah.
Yeah, because if you...
I want to travel to places though.
But you want Charlotte to be your home.
Yeah.
Where do you want to travel?
Bora Bora, LA, Miami.
You don't want to live in LA no more?
Nah.
Did you ever want to live there?
Yeah.
You did?
Because I didn't want to live in my house no more.
Pretty crazy.
Unsub
Hi, Harmony.
Hi.
I feel like I haven't talked to you all day.
Haven't.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Hello. Sing a song. Sing a song. Sing it loud. It doesn't matter if anyone. Doesn't matter. Wait. Don't matter if anyone. No, let's sing Trinity's favorite song. I'll sing You Sunshine.
Dun, 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 dun.
No, Trinity's favorite song was 300.
Say lobby.
Oh.
No,
it was 525,600 minutes. 525,000 journeys to plan. 525,600
No, it was the C'est La Vie
minutes.
song.
How do you measure the life of a woman or a man? And truth that she
Put it on now. That'll make you want to listen to it. Don't you want to listen to it now?
And visions she burned. What a way that she died. Sunsets and midnights and the stars never end. Let's celebrate, remember the day of a life of prayer.
Okay. Now sing You Are My Sunshine.
Wait, hey.
You are my sunshine.
What's up, gang?
Oh, wait.
Copyright. Why my lips look chapped?
I wonder if Usher learned this one. I think he was trying to
Y'all see my mustache?
25,600 minutes. 500.
Oh, don't put that in. Don't put that part in.
What?
Don't put it. I zoomed in on my lips. And I have too many bumps.
No, you don't.
On my chin. You tapped the focus?
No.
Oh.
Oh, Sam texted me.
Even tomorrow.
Until tomorrow.
How did you get her on Snapchat?
Nico.
Hey, why they lying on our name, Trendy?
What?
Tell them boys, they better watch out, boy. We hunting for y'all, boy. Y'all don't know what I'm talking about.
You want to go watch some anime? No.
Oh, sorry, y'all.
I want to watch K-dramas. What's that?
Yes, I heard you. She said it before.
If I would say
The mirror.
watching is it black people or color folks? Probably leave in the morning, right? Yeah. You probably will leave like 6 to 7 in the morning, you think? Yeah. Who knows?
Check. She probably knows that's that. Alright, bye, gang.
Let's, no, not yet.
No, you
Wait, what does this do?
Are we leaving?
Jen, can I touch this?
No, we're going to the park.
I'm after the
Oh,
park.
this.
Yeah, after the park we'll go home.
Oh, we go home after the park.
Oh, this zooms in?
I can't go pick up Osher because Osher doesn't fit in the car.
Oh shoot, he won't.
I can't.
Then we could go in the trunk.
Okay. Trini, why don't you use this?
But I don't like it.
It zooms in.
I know. I don't like it. I like it zoomed out.
Boom, boom.
No, I mean, like, why don't you ever, like, well, you don't never. Oh, wait, I'm done.
What?
You never hold the camera.
You are my
Yes, I do.
sunshine.
Not really. It's most time in your car.
Baby song. Be happy when skies are gray.
Alright guys, now we're going to the park.
Please don't take my
Oh, wait, are we going over there?
Away, 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 away. Away.
Wait, we're not playing on the park, are
I
we?
used to be, I used to sing that song, and I'd be just in the kitchen.
always.
Dang, I didn't even
You
vlog
sing that
today.
song always. I
You
remember.
should have.
My phone's dead.
You did?
I vlogged when we were
I
walking
love
on the
that song
lake.
because you sang it to me and I.
Really?
Yeah.
You don't remember? You know, I don't remember. I still remember singing it to Baby. And one time I was in the kitchen, I was just singing it, and Baby was just looking at me like,
Arsha's currently driving.
oh, hold on, take off
Can you turn this windshield back off?
Benjamin.
Are you okay? The guy is so caring. Okay. The guy right there.
Why? He's just touching her. I know. It's so caring.
Creepy.
Oh, that's what I want. I don't get that.
This way, Ben Usher.
That's why I did the signal that way.
Look, there's my bubble.
That drink stinks, Asher. Ew. It smells like pee.
We're going home. This is our last day.
know if you can see me or not. I hope you can. But I'm currently going to Chick-fil-A. I'm at my boyfriend's house. I'm like low-key aggravated because I want to see him today, but he's stuck in a car crash right now. He's not in the car crash, but like there was a car crash and he's stuck in traffic right now, and I'm like low-key aggravated, but I think it's just because I'm hungry and I just want to eat. I'm gonna go get ice cream and go to Chick-fil-A. I don't know which one I want to do first. I think I should go get ice cream first and then go to Chick-fil-A. Probably what I'll do, so I'll see you guys when I get there. Okay, bye. I'm at a stoplight right now, but like, let me tell y'all, my stomach is growling so bad right now. Like literally, I'm like so hungry right now. It's at a red light. Oh, now it's green. Okay. Woo. Okay, I'll see you guys when I get to my Boo's house. Okay, so I just got out of Target and I just got pizza and some ice cream because that's what I've been craving and that's what I've been wanting. Did I not bring my extra battery? I thought I did. I'll see when I get home. But now I'm on the way back to my boyfriend's house. It's currently 6:57. And yeah, I'm like super hungry. And I just want to go eat because I'm hungry and I feel like that's what's making me aggravated. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Let me go ahead. I'll see you guys when I get home. Okay, now I'm at my boo's house and I'm about to go inside and eat my food because I'm hungry and I'm hangry. I'm just gonna say that. I'm hangry because I'm hungry and I want to see my boo, but I can't. So, okay, bye.